Hey guys, how you doing today? I want to show you this beautiful plant. This is a Philodendron Tripartitum. You can see the beautiful, let me turn it a little bit. The beautiful tri leaves on this. There's a new one just popping up. She's still soft. Very, very pretty. And then it goes up, up. I tried to get my camera up that high and it won't go that high on my tripod. But anyways, I want to repot her today. I'm going to be putting her into, I'm going to move this down here. I'm going to be putting her into a bigger pot, and it is a terracotta pot. And I also have another cutting that I took off of her, and I want to check and make sure that, I want to see if it's got roots on it yet so I can go ahead and put it in the pot with her. But even if it doesn't, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the pot, because philodendrons they take off so easy. But the first thing I want to do is I have a couple yellow stems here I want to cut off, and then this leaf, which is all the way down, it's one of the original. It's yellowing up. There's no bugs or anything on her. It's just an old leaf. So I am going to set my tag over here so I don't lose it. I've got her, I was thinking about, I have another moss pole I was thinking about putting in here with her, but I don't know. Let me go grab my other cutting. Okay, I grabbed my other cutting. It's got a new leaf and then another one pushing up here. And she does have nice roots on her, so I'm going to go ahead and add her to my pot. So I'm going to set this down here out of my way for now. I'm going to go ahead and dump her out. Whoops, I'm hitting everything. I have to loosen this up. I don't know why I even tried not to loosen. Get you down here. There we go. And this soil should still be pretty good. I'm going to check it once I get it out. You can usually smell it a little bit better once you get the plant out. And I decided I'm going to go ahead and just stick with the bamboo poles. Oh! Okay. I had a major accident. I knocked my pot off, my terracotta pot off, and broke it. So I had to go wash another one. Wow, her roots look pretty darn good. I'm going to lay her down. And I'm just going to get rid of this here. I have another plant I actually want to put into this pot, so that will work out great after I get it all washed up, and that one will be ready to rock and roll. Okay. It looks like I lost a couple of roots. I was going to say leaves. Yeah, the dirt smells fine, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to knock off some of this on the top here. I'm not going to take my plant all the way apart. I do not like doing that unless I have an issue with root rot or some kind of a bug issue. Then yeah, I will knock it off. So I'm going to go ahead and lay her back down. Oh, there's another yellow stem. Get my other pot here. Gosh, I swears. The last thing I wanted to do is break that particular pot too. Terracotta pots are so hard to come by. I can find the little ones, but the bigger ones, or at least the ones about this size, which I think these are 8 inches, I don't know for sure. Okay, now I want to pot her just a little bit deeper than what she was, because you can see this is all stem, and let's see here. There, that looks pretty good. And I'm also going to rearrange the top. I'm going to loosen some of this up. See what I got going on here. Because I'm about to add that other piece, so I'm going to cut this twine off of here. Whew, man, I shut my video off to make my video. Oh my gosh. I shut the fan off to make my video, and man, is it ever hot in here. Okay, there. Separate that just a little bit. Because I want to keep this plant, my aim for this plant is I want to make it bushier and keep it a little on the shorter side. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and twist tie this one back up. And then maybe later I'll put a true moss pole in here. But for right now, I'm okay with this. There, I don't really think that one needs to be. So I'm just going to add some more of my soil here. Oop, get my camera back down so you guys can see what's going on. And then I'm just kind of lightly pushing, getting that new soil in here. And this plant is crazy. It's growing out. It grows out the side, which is fine, but I might have to put another stake right here. Which is also fine. I really don't like having 50 million different kind of stakes on my plant, but sometimes it is what it is. Let me grab, let's see, I need 2 more stakes. I need one for this weird cockeye piece, which you guys can't see because I cannot get the whole plant in the camera. See how this piece is kind of wobbly? I'm going to stake her up just to secure her. I need to grab my tape. Okay. I think what I'll do is make sure that one's down all the way, and that one. Then I'll put this one kind of over here. Maybe I'll put it on this side. There. And then I'll just tie up that dangly piece so she doesn't snap off. But even if she does, this plant is so easily propagated, and then I can just put her right back in the pot, but right now I don't want her to snap off, so. Okay, let me get my new piece. And I want to put her right here in the front. Like that. So I am going to stick this down. And then I'm going to make just a small little hole. Just kind of put her up here like this, and then I will hook this piece up. Whoop. Like this. This is a beautiful plant. I just love the tri-leaves. They're so pretty. I have a lot of different of the tri-leaf plants, and I just absolutely love them. Okay. Now I'm going to finish filling up with some more soil. And then hopefully this plant can be in this pot for quite some time. And later, like if I'm having a bored day in the winter time or whatever, I'll go ahead and make a couple of nicer moss poles with my coconut coir wrapped around it like I like to do. There, I think that looks much better. I'll take my camera off the tripod and show you guys a little bit better. But this is a very easy plant to take care of, just like any other philodendron. She likes about a medium-ish light. You want to make sure you keep her at enough light so that her leaves are, you know, staying bigger like they should be. If you get her into a little bit smaller, or the leaves will get smaller if you push them down into less light. So if you notice that on this plant, or any of your plants really, you may want to move her into a little bit brighter light area. But they like to be fed and watered well, a medium to bright light. You kind of have to play around with your light, you know, your light situation. But I feed mine once a month with fish fertilizer, and she just went into this much bigger pot, terracotta, so she should be able to be in this for a year or two. Until I see the roots coming out of the bottom, I won't touch this plant again. So this is a beauty. I'm going to take my camera off the tripod and get a closer view for you guys. Okay, so there she is at the top. Probably if I set her on the floor you could see her even better. But she is a beautiful plant. I love it. And she's super easy to take care of. She's not really fussy. So it is a gorgeous, gorgeous plant. There, now maybe you can see her a little bit better. You see these top leaves. And I think this, I'm not sure where I took that last cutting from. I actually took 2 cuttings. It might have been from over here. I don't know. No, it's right here. That's where I took the cutting at, right here. So, anyways guys, beautiful plant, easy to take care of. There's my terracotta pot that I broke. And there's my big dirt mess because I had soil on it. But you can see the leaves are just gorgeous. And they're big. Some of them are. Some of them are littler. Once again, user error. Being a bad plant mommy. But alright guys, I am going to let you go and I will talk to you later. Bye. Peace.